Nasa bagso.
Andiyan na? You are going to Kuya Kamo. 3 months.
Kuya po, nakita ko kalbo.
Yan. Hello kayo. Hello. Susunduin na yung mga anak.
First Sergeant Godwins, a native of Concord, Maryland.
Arnold, isot mo yung ano niya, hood.
Hood niya.
Ayan, ang dalawa.
How do I like log out in Instagram?
Kailan damat yung cellphone mo?
The day after I called you.
We going up and now and here.
What do you got there, Bree?
Sa simulang yung pagkatapos.
The foundations of rigorous basic training, a shared legacy, and a commitment to our core values, preparing them to win our nation's battles in service to the country. Our core values.
Yan. Stove.
I thought the second I thought I heard like a what's up or something. Yeah. I would just say like hello, and I just you start screaming and singing.
I don't know. Hindi ko alam. May tao sa loob. Parang may nakabalo. Tao yata. Training. Baka mga nagtitraining.
Martial arts.
Gina, say hi.
Oh, there's a car.
Ah!
See the thing? Oh, that's our lobby. Bago pa lang wala. Kaya kailangan mo. Dito po nakatira si Leonard. See, that's our uniform for tomorrow.
Ano yan? Ay, putya.
11 seconds.
Sa inyo yan?
Nagagamit namin ito yung tomorrow.
For graduation?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, for graduation.
He just wanted to ride.
Yung mga shoes.
So the shoes, that's our hats. Yung sombrero na.
Oh, puro bago. Puro sa...
Magulo.
White House.
Ito dapat ito. Walang ganyan. Dapat tight. Pasok ko na ganyan. Papapagalitan ako kung ako yan kasi ito.
We did last round, like 17 laps, or 2 hours.
Paano ang banyo nyo? Pag naliligo kayo.
The shower.
Yeah, the rain room.
So this is we all shower at the same time. Everything just out.
Hubad-hubad kayo lahat.
Lahat po kami dito. Bibilangan po kami.
Kailangan mabilis maligo.
Mga, we have about like 30, 40 seconds.
40 seconds para maligo. Kailangan pag naligo ka una-una mong hilodin pala silip mo para ka.
Yung pagpasok ko, yung ano, yung sabon po, tapos diretso po sa kilikili, liig, dito sa puwit po, tapos doon na. Mabilisan ko.
Kailangan magbanlaw ka na rin, no? Kasi kung hindi,
Tapos every morning tatahan kami lahat.
Lahat po kami ito.
kailangan sabay-sabay din.
Opo, lahat po.
Puno-punuan niya.
Kailangan sabay-sabay kayong tatay.
Merong line.
Lahat kumain.
Nakalay?
Maligo, mag-brush, sabay po kami lahat.
Ayos. Syempre, para pag lumabas kayo, sabay-sabay.
Opo, sabay-sabay. Where's your bag?
Bago lang siya.
Body bag? No, body bag's the same. For your uniform.
Our uniform.
Oh, only the core form.
Ayan yung kanilang baul.
Oh, see,
Andyan lahat ng gamit nila sa loob ng
yeah,
baul.
right. You get it right. Yeah, like you see how this is folded? Look at this. And then compared to that.
Ito yung
If your
ito yung bed ko,
instructor,
Ma'am.
your
Ha?
instructor sees that,
ito
he's
yung
gonna
bed
get
ko.
mad at you.
Yan ang bed mo.
Yeah.
You have to fold it a certain way.
Tapos locker namin ito.
Ito yung paghigaan
Ano
mo.
laman ng lakar mo?
Ano? Tama yung higaan ni ano.
Ngayon wala ngayon kasi
Si Desma.
uwi na kami tomorrow.
Strict,
Ah,
di ba? 45 degrees.
Pero ano ba nga
Basta
laman yan
nakatapat
dati?
yun, ito nakatapat.
Ito lahat nasa
Kasi tignan mo yan.
Sa'yo yan?
yan lahat ng bags sa bag ko.
Makita ka na.
Hindi mo lang.
Ah.
Get one pillow.
Pati pag ano, higaan.
Tama namin.
Gawin ng Yung certain way nga, yung mga ganyan mga...
This one.
Tama lang.
You wanna explain the white towel?
Oh, the white towel. So you're gonna get a white towel, right? And then your instructor will get like a big bucket of yellow bucket. And they're gonna like just throw like all the water in, and then they'll be like scones. Throw your hands. You start pushing.
Nasa ganito na ano kami. Doon, tapos hanggang doon sa
Doon,
dulo.
tapos pabalik.
Mga 10 times.
We went about like 20 times long.
Talaga?
Kung hindi mo po matapos yung count nila, kasi they're gonna give you 200 counts. So they're gonna be like, 99, 76, 94, 80, 89, 77. Tapos kailangan po tapusin. Pero kung naka-count po sila ng 200, tapos di ka pa nakaapunta hanggang doon, you have to do it again. And if you don't make it, you have to do it again, again, and again. So,
Hanggang paulit-ulit.
opo. Tapos alam po nila na hindi mo po magagawa, kaya they like it. They make you do it. Then you wanna get IT, bro? Yeah, get IT, bro.
Si Cardo. Cardo, ikaw, anong kwento mo?
Dati akong MPA. Nagbalik loob ako sa gobyerno. Ako ang pulang araw. Kasama ko si Lito Lapid.
Lito Lapid ng Pampanga. Balik ka na sa Pampanga. Andun si Lito Lapid, hinintay ka.
Left, right. Go! Go! Left, right.
Yung mga weapon nalalagay.
May laman yon.
Yeah. Ngayon wala na.
Hinana.
Jumping, stop jumping.
Natulog, tapos takbo kami pa doon. Hindi, mamaya tayo yung bagay ko nasa taas. Yes, like as soon as you wake up, the light comes up. Here, as soon as the light comes up, they'll be like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and like lights, lights, lights. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Hinga, jump, jump. Hinga, jump, jump.
We have...
Yan ang kanyang partner. Hawak kita. Bak, may sipag sipag ikaw maglakad. Buti dinala ko yung shoes mo na. Pareho lang. First floor, second floor.
Boy, Ethan. You guys have that? Huh? You guys have that up there?
Uniform.
There's more people. Wait.
Ricardo. Yanay, ano masasabi mo pinagdaanan mo? Na-miss mo ba kami? Ha?
Yeah, 3 months na nandito ako.
Oh.
Halata naman.
Kung na-miss mo ako, kiss mo ako.
Iba na pala yung atin ni Train.
Trina! Let's go, Trina!
Kaya pa rin yung sali lang. 200.
Ikaw, na-miss mo ba mama mo?
Opo. Araw-araw po, iyak pa ako ng iyak.
Ako, na-miss mo mama mo, kiss mo na ngayon, oh.
Ay, ikaw nga, Leonard.
Tapos na!
Tapos na.
Ito yung they're pushing white towels right now.
Oh yeah, they're pushing white towels. So, nagtutulak sila ng tao. Tawa, puro tubig.
Nag-ano?
Yung sinaw namin.
The one that we show like on the floor.
Aha.
Pushing with the towel.
Pushing with the
That's
towel.
why yung daming ano.
Araw-araw. Ganyan kami araw-araw.